Welcome back to DinaLicious 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious tuna and 3 different ways of serving this. Keep watching. To get started, this is everything that we're going to need. Some mayo, onion, lemon, corn, tuna fish, a red, green, yellow pepper, and some celery. Let's get started. First, we're going to start chopping our veggies. And what you want to do is you want to chop them up in small, tiny pieces. After you chop them up this tiny, we're going to still chop them some more. Let's speed this up a little bit. And we're done. Now, let's move on to our bell peppers. So let's start chopping. And here's the red. Let me get started on the yellow. Do this one more time. And now the final green. We're going to mix everything in. We have 5 cans of tuna, 1 can of corn, a tablespoon and a half of cilantro, half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, we're going to squeeze 1 full lime, and now we're going to use mayonnaise. Let's mix this up a little bit first. Look at how nice and colorful that looks. And the mayo amount is totally up to you. I like mine really creamy. now that this is mixed, we're going to show you 3 different ways of serving it. Keep watching. And here is our final product. Some tuna tostadas. Look at that. A delicious tuna fish sandwich. Or a snack on the go to some tuna and crackers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed making it for you, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!